Now let's talk about blood control. Let's say my victim slit her wrist like so, and maybe she just needs a bandage, roller bandage, Kerlix, just to secure the wound so we could get her the ER or the urgent care and she could get some stitches. So we're gonna go ahead, obviously our PPE, minimum of gloves, get our gauze, hold direct pressure, okay? So I could also have my victim hold direct pressure, okay? In this case, we're gonna wrap her up with some Kerlix. Now, you want to unroll the Kerlix like so. You want to go a couple inches below or above the wound and then a couple inches below the wound just to secure it. Another technique that we like to use is you put a twist into it that allows the Kerlix to bite down or the wraps to bite down. Now, we got a couple different options here, okay? I could cut this Kerlix with some scissors and use some tape to secure it and tape it down. However, for this case, I'm just going to go ahead and let's say I don't have tape. Let's say I don't have scissors. I'm gonna do a loose wrap and then I'm gonna just tuck it in to one of these folds like so. And there you go. Now I've secured the wound. I have direct pressure using the Kerlix. If we want to, we could even get an instant ice pack or a bag full of ice and place it right on top of the wound. This is gonna go help with the swelling and any pain as well.